Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to silence wallet app promo and offer notifications on your iPhone. If you have ever been interrupted by an unexpected wallet app alert promoting discounts or special deals, Apple finally has a fix for you. With iOS 26, the company has introduced a dedicated toggle that lets you silence marketing messages once and for all without affecting important financial notifications. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the wallet app on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. And then you have to tap on the More aka 3 dots button in the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to choose the notifications option from the pop-over menu. And then you have to disable the toggle located next to offers and promotions, and that's about it. Once disabled, you'll stop receiving alerts about discounts, deals, and promotional campaigns while still getting essential notifications for payments, passes, and transactions. The new setting isn't just limited to promotions. In the same menu, Apple has expanded notification controls to give you more flexibility. You can now manage auto notifications for shipping and delivery tracking, control alerts for pre-authorized payments such as recurring charges and subscriptions, enable or disable notifications about new wallet features and improvements. The change comes after backlash earlier this summer when Apple pushed promotional wallet alerts about F1 movie ticket offers through partner Fandango. Many iPhone users were frustrated, pointing out that wallet is designed to handle sensitive financial information, not advertisements. Disabling wallet notifications entirely wasn't a practical option since users rely on them for payments, passes, and receipts. The controversy also highlighted an ironic twist. Apple's own App Store guidelines prohibit push notifications for promotional purposes unless users explicitly opt in. By sending marketing alerts through wallets, Apple appeared to contradict its own rules, something critics were quick to call out across social media. Apple's update to the wallet app in iOS 26 is a direct response to user frustration and a welcome improvement for anyone who prefers their financial apps to stay free from marketing noise. With just a few simple taps, you can now keep wallet focused on what it does best, securely handling payments, passes, and transactions without the distraction of unwanted ads. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily silence wallet app promo and offer notifications on your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.